Check it out, guys. This is our very first Frost Blue Model 3 Performance. Literally just took delivery, got his windows tinted, came to see us. I don't even know how many miles are on it. Let's check it out. 394 miles. So what we're gonna do to this car is all this beautiful blue stuff you see before you. Of course, the highly acclaimed Mount Pass Performance Coilover conversion kit for the factory active dampers. This is the road upgrade kit. He's got included in that kit is the brake master cylinder brace because we got such a flimsy firewall. Front lower control arm bearings for the lateral links. Our ZEV poly bushings for the compliance arms. MP rear camber arms, of course. And then these are the rear springs. So what this will do is it'll effectively put a threaded sleeve on top of the factory active damper, which you've seen in one of our prior videos, hopefully. And if you haven't, go check it out. We'll put a link up here. But this will convert the factory active damper to basically a true coilover system. It's freaking phenomenal. It's amazing stuff, well designed, well engineered, spring race made specifically for this application. But yeah, let's get these things on the car. We're still waiting for his custom wheels to come in. Then he'll make a second trip to us. At that point, we'll install the wheels, tires. Maybe if we need to make any height adjustments, if it's settled, we'll do that, realign the car, and he'll be good to go, all done. But for right now, he's just gonna get lowered on his factory wheels, and I don't think he's gonna get spacers for the interim, but we'll see what it looks like after it's all done, all right? So let's go. All right, guys, check it out. MPP Highland Coilover Conversion Kit is installed. Check this out, it's beautiful. It basically makes this factory active damper look just like a true coilover. Not only that, but we've got the lower control arm bearings and the ZEV compliance poly bushings installed on this. And then he also opted, while he's waiting for his aftermarket custom wheels, to get some Aspira studded spacers for his factory warp wheels so that he can flush the fitment out. That way the video looks cooler too. And then in the rear, you'll see here the beautiful one and only MPP rear camber arm. And that does it for this vehicle. We've got to get the brake brace installed once we get it back on the ground, but that's your kind of entry-level upgrade kit for the Highland Performance that we highly recommend, the MPP Coilover Conversion Kit. You want that great steering feel, you upgrade your lower control arm bushings and bearings. You get the brake brace to make that pedal feel nice and firm with braking. And then, of course, the adjustable rear camber arm. So let's get this thing on the ground and see what it looks like. All right, guys, this one's all done. Another one for the books, MPP Coilover Highland Conversion Kit, low control and bearings, ZEV compliance bushings, and rear camber arm, and a brake brace. So I am absolutely in love with this color. This frost blue on this Model 3 Performance looks absolutely gorgeous. He's got the Aspira spacers on it. So we fleshed out his wheel fitment. We showed him the car. He's so glad that he got the spacers while he's waiting for his aftermarket custom wheels, which we'll be excited to see. They're gonna be some mega wide wheels. He went through our consulting program and ordered some custom fitments. I took some measurements, went through a whole Q&A with him. So if you guys want to check out the consultation, it's on our website under consult. But yeah, zevcentric.com, hit us up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, hit that notifications bell if you guys want any of these cool parts. All right, we'll see you later.